What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there this morning? I hope you're doing well. I'm still recuperating. I'm drinking some ginger tea this morning. Okay? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hope you guys had a marvelous Christmas holiday. All right. If you haven't checked out this program, I'm getting ready to talk about how to earn daily pay income. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. Woo, the ginger tea is strong. All right. We're back, guys. I don't always do a video every time I receive a commission, but we're going to show you another proof payment that has come in for this system with a simple strategy. This one will focus on one simple strategy that works. I've been doing this over and over, but I just want to focus on this one strategy today. Now, we've been talking about the system, how to earn daily pay, guys, using a few simple strategies. But today, I just want to show you, I just used one of these methods, and I earned a $300 commission, right? As you notice, I said I had been feeling under the weather. I hadn't been really doing a lot, but I made some posts. But this particular sale came from the webinar that I shared on my channel. And you guys will have access to this as well. The webinars are recorded and they're in our community. Okay, once you become a member, when you purchase one of the digital products, I'm going to send you an email with the link to add you to the community, and you will see all the training and everything you need to succeed with this program there. But this webinar was recorded. I didn't sell anything, I didn't tell anything, I didn't speak to anybody. This was all done on autopilot. So when you set up your systems, this is what I'm saying to you. We give you a free system. I'm looking for an email. Hang on one second. All right, we give you a free system, guys. The free funnel. We hold your hand step by step, showing you how to set it up, right? So because I had my automation system in place, my capture page, my email autoresponder, right? All that was in position. I had my channel, YouTube channel. I went into our community, which is over here, and I grabbed the webinar that was pre-recorded. I grabbed that webinar, uploaded it to my channel, right? And that produced the results of a sale. Okay, that's not the first time that has happened. However, this particular time I want to point it out so that you guys can know this is something you can do. My thumbnail says what? How to collect $300 to $600 payments sharing videos. That's what I did. And how do I know that? I'm not going to show the email, but I'm going to read it because I asked the person, how did they find me? Because I know I'm in a lot of places. He said, I was starting a postcard campaign and needed to watch a YouTube video. I scrolled down and found a video you must have just posted last night. That's the video I posted Christmas Day, because I've been under the weather. So I said, let me upload this webinar. Right? And boom, $300 sale. So this is something you guys can do. This is why I'm saying it's the copy paste method. I copied the link, the video, uploaded it to my channel. I didn't do any presentations. I didn't have to say anything. The person didn't call me. Any of that. That's what I love about this. The system will sift and sort the people that's interested. That's the great thing. Because this person was looking for something else. That's the other thing about social media or YouTube. He was looking for something else totally different than what this video is about. This is about earning daily pay. He was looking for postcard campaign, even though I'm in that algorithm as well, because I'm in direct mail. That's probably why I came up. But the point of the matter is, all I did is took the webinar, uploaded it, and boom, got a sale. So can you share a video? Anybody can do that. Create a channel. That's it. All right. So you're going to be a part of this community. And I have to say, we've got 6,700 folks in here now in the community. I've been a part of a lot of programs. Matter of fact, I've got at least 7 that's under one of my websites. Instant pay commission programs. This one right here, I haven't seen any program doing what we're doing. This community is what makes the difference. I can't say it enough. Okay? So, let me show you the proof. Another one. Alright, if for privacy protection, I am covering up the person's information. Shout out to David. Welcome aboard, my friend. Now, I'm recording this on Tuesday, but I'm going to upload it for Wednesday morning. Alright, guys? So, when you see it, it'll be Wednesday morning. So, hello, Wednesday. Alright? So, another one. This is the day after Christmas, by the way. As you can see, in the middle of the day. Okay? While I'm trying to get myself well. This is what happens when you have automated systems in place. Well, boom, another one has come in while I'm talking to you guys. See, December 26th, December 26th. Hang on. Again, for privacy protection, I'm covering up people's information. See right here? Okay, guys? So sharing videos is just one of the strategies. Super simple. Get any simpler than that, guys. So if you're ready to become your own digital marketing affiliate boss, go to that link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. 4 products to choose from. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the link of the webinar in the description. Go watch it, guys. See if it's for you. Go check it out. We've got 4 products to choose from. Let me show you those real quick, and I'm going to get out of here. Here's our top 2. Let's talk about these. The top 2 selling programs. The pro level. All right. It's going to be $300 one time plus $39 for your website. This is our number 1 selling product. It's a business in a box. $600 and then $59 for your website. One time. You're all in if you get the premium. You will get all the lower levels included. Top 2. Okay? Before they had the premium, the pro was the top. And it was crushing it. Okay? Now we got the premium. Just imagine 10 of those a month. That's $6 grand. Hello, somebody. Okay? So think about that. Alright? Then, of course, we've got our Elite 150 plus $39 for your website. And we got our Starter 50 plus your $39 for your website. All right, so there are your options. Go to the page, the link in the description, come down here, make your selection. You can play with the calculator as well. We accept Cash App and we accept debit cards or credit cards. If you want to do anything outside of that, reach out to me like PayPal, Bitcoin, something like that. Reach out to me directly. But we've got the button set up for debit card, credit cards, and Cash App right here on the website. All right, so if you just come all the way down, you'll see these buttons, okay? So play with the calculator and decide where you get in, where you fit in, all right? But I'm all in, okay? That way I'm not leaving any money on the table, and I'm getting all the training that's available. I am positioned. Now, if any of you have signed up recently, you've got within 60 days to upgrade, all right? And you'll just pay the difference. After the 61st day, well, starting the 61st day, you will pay the full amount for that level, okay? Shout out to everybody that just got started. Welcome all the new members. All right, guys, if you're interested in getting started, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. We will see you on the inside. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me. And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.